Yeah, so I go on J Squad. Up on the road to Highway 2000 right here. We're going through the toll. As you guys know from the thumbnail, we are on our way to Montego Bay for our vacation. So you guys get to stick and stay with us, guys.
Be a shifting and one for the channel, so just make sure you subscribe all of them something, okay? You know, say JC.
Yeah, guys, so as you can see on the highway, guys, some scenery for you to just be captivated by. Honestly, guys, just look at how beautiful the sky is. So we're on the bus and we are heading down, guys. Passing through a couple of places here on the road leading into Ocherios. We're at the top of St. Andrew, going down into the bypass area. Yeah, guys, so this is one of the popular rest stops in St. Andrew that you have to pass on the way to Montego Bay. Look at the beautiful ocean, guys. What a view. This is a beautiful place for me. So we finally arrived, guys, and as the sign suggests, welcome home. So we are here, guys. On J Squad, it's your boy Jay, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright, guys, so we are in Holiday Inn in Montego Bay. Yeah, man, we're back with another one. Last year we did one, and we're back with another Holiday Inn vlog. So guys, this is just only the beginning. We are in the check-in area, guys, and we're getting ourselves situated. So you know you're gonna be here with me for the period of time that we're gonna be here. Stick and stay with the team. And if you're not yet connected to the team, guys, remember, hit the subscribe button, put on all notification bells, because we are definitely gonna be giving you a good one this time. Yeah, that's how that's how we want it. That upstairs. Yeah. Inside and upstairs. See stairs there without that. Hi, Miss Ione. Gonna lead though. Wait, tell him again where you come from though.
Come to enjoy ourselves.
Real talk.
Yeah.
So tell him where you're there. Where's the Nelly? She never remember. Trish, alright, tell him where they're there.
We're on holiday in Montego Bay.
Which is right. Tell him, next door to foreign. Alright, so basically what Trisha telling us, guys, is that we're gonna lay over at the at the Holiday Inn and which is right. Alright, cool. You get catch a long time. Alright guys, so our bags just got checked in, and we're moving now down towards poolside. So I'm just gonna give you guys a shot of what we see. Alright, right here is the Oriental Garden, guys, and trust me, it's one of the most beautiful places on this property. It's a nice little chill spot, somewhere where you can just hang out and relax. And as we move forward, guys, this is the bar area where you can get free drinks for the entire journey. Alright, This is the eating area, guys, where the restaurants are. Unlimited food as well, guys. So you can eat and eat until you can't eat anymore. Alright, walk with me, guys. We're going straight down to poolside. Literally out and about, guys, you know. All right, so we just checked in and we're out and about, walking around the property, just getting ourselves acclimatized to the environment, guys. So I'm taking the opportunity now to just show you guys around. At the moment we are literally at the ice cream outlet, so let me just flip my camera real quick and just show you guys. So this is the ice cream spot, guys. Literally. Good look. And then, guys, that's the beach. Nope. As you can see, guys, it's a very beautiful environment, guys. It's something to actually come and check out if you have the time. So, you know, if you have not yet booked a ticket or booked a trip for this location, guys, come check it out, man. It's gonna be worth your while. This far, I really appreciate you guys sticking and staying with us. We do appreciate every time you guys come on and just check out one of our videos. Remember, guys, if you're not yet connected to the channel, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, so that we can get ourselves to 2,000 subscribers in no time. Once again, just stay connected, guys, and look out for the other videos that are going to be dropping in this series. So as we always say on this channel, guys, Jay says, and we are
out of it.